Surah, number 17, of Quran Majid. The Israelites.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
سبحان الذي أسرى بعبده ليلا من المسجد الحرام إلى المسجد الأقصى الذي باركنا حوله لنريه من آياتنا إنه هو السميع البصير.
Immaculate is he who carried his servant on a journey by night from the sacred mosque to the farthest mosque whose environs we have blessed, that we might show him some of our signs. Indeed, he is the all-hearing, the all-seeing.
وآتينا موسى الكتاب وجعلناه هدى لبني إسرائيل ألا تتخذوا من دوني وكيلا.
We gave Moses the book, and made it a guide for the children of Israel, saying, Do not take any trustee besides me.
ذرية من حملنا مع نوح إنه كان عبدا شكورا.
Descendants of those whom we carried in the ark with Noah. Indeed, he was a grateful servant.
وقضينا إلى بني إسرائيل في الكتاب لتفسدن في الأرض مرتين ولتعلن علوا كبيرا.
We revealed to the children of Israel in the book, twice you will cause corruption on the earth, and you will perpetrate great tyranny.
فإذا جاء وعد أولاهما بعثنا عليكم عبادا لنا أولي بأس شديد فجاسوا خلال الديار وكان وعدا مفعولا.
So when the first occasion of the two prophecies came, we aroused against you our servants possessing great might, and they ransacked your habitations, and the promise was bound to be fulfilled.
ثم رددنا لكم الكرة عليهم وأمددناكم بأموال وبنين وجعلناكم أكثر نفيرا.
Then we gave you back the turn, to prevail over them, and we aided you with children and wealth, and made you greater in number.
إن أحسنتم أحسنتم لأنفسكم وإن أسأتم فلها فإذا جاء وعد الآخرة ليسوءوا وجوهكم وليدخلوا المسجد كما دخلوه أول مرة وَلِيُتَبِّرُوا مَا عَلَوْا تَتْبِيرًا.
Saying, if you do good, you will do good to your own souls, and if you do evil, it will be evil for them. So when the occasion for the other prophecy comes, they will make your faces wretched, and enter the temple just as they entered it the first time, and destroy utterly whatever they come upon.
عسى ربكم أن يرحمكم وإن عدتم عدنا وجعلنا جهنم للكافرين حصيرا.
Maybe your Lord will have mercy on you, but if you revert, we, too, will revert, and we have made hell a prison for the faithless.
إن هذا القرآن يهدي للتي هي أقوم ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا كبيرا.
Indeed, this Quran guides to what is most upright, and gives the good news to the faithful who do righteous deeds that there is a great reward for them.
وَأَنَّ الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ أَعْتَدْنَا لَهُمْ عَذَابًا أَلِيمًا.
As for those who do not believe in the hereafter, we have prepared a painful punishment for them.
وَيَدْعُ الْإِنسَانُ بِالشَّرِّ دُعَاءَهُ بِالْخَيْرِ وَكَانَ الْإِنسَانُ عَجُولًا.
Man prays for ill as avidly as he prays for good, and man is over hasty.
وَجَعَلْنَا اللَّيْلَ وَالنَّهَارَ آيَتَيْنِ فَمَحَوْنَا آيَةَ اللَّيْلِ وَجَعَلْنَا آيَةَ النَّهَارِ مُبْصِرَةً لِتَبْتَغُوا فَضْلًا مِّن رَّبِّكُمْ وَلِتَعْلَمُوا عَدَدَ السِّنِينَ وَالْحِسَابَ وَكُلَّ شَيْءٍ فَصَّلْنَاهُ تَفْصِيلًا.
We made the night and the day two signs. Then we faded out the sign of the night, and made the sign of the day lightsome, so that you may seek from your Lord's bounty and that you may know the number of years and calculation of time, and we have elaborated everything in detail.
وَكُلَّ إِنسَانٍ أَلْزَمْنَاهُ طَائِرَهُ فِي عُنُقِهِ وَنُخْرِجُ لَهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ كِتَابًا يَلْقَاهُ مَنشُورًا.
We have attached every person's omen to his neck, and we shall bring it out for him on the day of resurrection as a book that he will find wide open.
اقرأ كتابك كفى بنفسك اليوم عليك حسيبا.
Read your book. Today your soul suffices as your own reckoner.
من اهتدى فإنما يهتدي لنفسه ومن ضل فإنما يضل عليها ولا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى وما كنا معذبين حتى نبعث رسولا.
Whoever is guided only for the good of his own soul, and whoever goes astray only to its detriment. No bearer shall bear another's burden. We do not punish any community until we have sent it an apostle.
وَإِذَا أَرَدْنَا أَن نُّهْلِكَ قَرْيَةً أَمَرْنَا مُتْرَ فِيهَا فَفَسَقُوا فِيهَا فَحَقَّ عَلَيْهَا الْقَوْلُ فَدَمَّرْنَاهَا تَدْمِيرًا.
And when we desire to destroy a town, we command its affluent ones to obey Allah. But they commit transgression in it, and so the word becomes due against it, and we destroy it utterly.
وَكَمْ أَهْلَكْنَا مِنَ الْقُرُونِ مِنْ بَعْدِ نُوحٍ وَكَفَى بِرَبِّكَ بِذُنُوبِ عِبَادِهِ خَبِيرًا بَصِيرًا.
How many generations we have destroyed since Noah. Your Lord is sufficient as a witness who is well aware and percipient of his servants' sins.
من كان يريد العاجلة عجلنا له فيها ما نشاء لمن نريد ثم جعلنا له ثم جعلنا له جهنم يصلاها مذموما مدحورا.
Whoever desires this transitory life, we expedite for him therein whatever we wish, for whomever we desire. Then we appoint hell for him, to enter it, blameful and spurned.
ومن أراد الآخرة وسعى لها سعيها وهو مؤمن فأولئك كان سعيهم مشكورا.
Whoever desires the hereafter and strives for it with an endeavor worthy of it, should he be faithful, the endeavor of such will be well appreciated.
كلا نمد هؤلاء وهؤلاء من عطاء ربك وما كان عطاء ربك محظورا.
To these and to those, to all we extend the bounty of your Lord, and the bounty of your Lord is not confined.
انظر كيف فضلنا بعضهم على بعض وللآخرة أكبر درجات وأكبر تفضيلا.
Observe how we have given some of them an advantage over some others, yet the hereafter is surely greater in respect of ranks and greater in respect of relative merit.
لا تجعل مع الله إلها آخر فتقعد مذموما مخذولا.
Do not set up another God besides Allah, or you will sit blameworthy, forsaken.
وقضى ربك ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه وبالوالدين إحسانا إما يبلغن عندك الكبر أحدهما أو كلاهما فلا تقل لهما أف ولا تنهرهما وقل لهما قولا كريما.
Your Lord has decreed that you shall not worship anyone except him, and he has enjoined kindness to parents. Should any of them or both reach old age at your side, do not say to them, "Fie," and do not chide them, but speak to them noble words.
واخفض لهما جناح الذل من الرحمة وقل رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا.
Lower the wing of humility to them, mercifully, and say, My Lord, have mercy on them, just as they reared me when I was a small child.
ربكم أعلم بما في نفوسكم إن تكونوا صالحين فإنه كان للأوابين غفورا.
Your Lord knows best what is in your hearts. Should you be righteous, He is indeed most forgiving toward penitents.
وآت ذا القربى حقه والمسكين وابن السبيل ولا تبذر تبذيرا.
Give the relatives their due, right, and the needy and the traveler, as well, but do not squander wastefully.
إن المبذرين كانوا إخوان الشياطين وكان الشيطان لربه كفورا.
Indeed the wasteful are brothers of shaitans, and shaitan is ungrateful to his Lord.
وَإِمَّا تُعْرِضَنَّ عَنْهُمُ ابْتِغَاءَ رَحْمَةٍ مِّن رَّبِّكَ تَرْجُوهَا فَقُل لَّهُمْ قَوْلًا مَّيْسُورًا.
And if you have to hold off from assisting them, for now, seeking your Lord's mercy which you expect, in the future, speak to them gentle words.
ولا تجعل يدك مغلولة إلى عنقك ولا تبسطها كل البسط فتقعد ملوما محسورا.
Do not keep your hand chained to your neck, nor open it altogether, or you will sit blameworthy and regretful.
إن ربك يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر إنه كان بعباده خبيرا بصيرا.
Indeed, your Lord expands the provision for whomever he wishes, and tightens it. Indeed, he is well aware of his servants and a keen observer.
ولا تقتلوا أولادكم خشية إملاق نحن نرزقهم وإياكم إن قتلهم كان خطأ كبيرا.
Do not kill your children for the fear of penury, we will provide for them and for you. Killing them is indeed a great iniquity.
ولا تقربوا الزنا إنه كان فاحشة وساء سبيلا.
Do not approach fornication. It is indeed an indecency and an evil way.
ولا تقتلوا النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ومن قتل مظلوما فقد جعلنا لوليه سلطانا فلا يسرف في القتل إنه كان منصورا.
Do not kill a soul, whose life Allah has made inviolable, except with due cause, and whoever is killed wrongfully, we have certainly given his heir an authority. But let him not commit any excess in killing the murderer, for he has been assisted by law.
ولا تقربوا مال اليتيم إلا بالتي هي أحسن حتى يبلغ أشده وأوفوا بالعهد إن العهد كان مسؤولا.
Do not approach the orphan's property except in the best manner, until he comes of age. Fulfill the covenants. Indeed, all covenants are accountable.
وأوفوا الكيل إذا كلتم وزنوا بالقسطاس المستقيم ذلك خير وأحسن تأويلا.
When you measure, observe fully the measure, and weigh with an even balance. That is better and more favorable with respect to the outcome in the hereafter.
ولا تقف ما ليس لك به علم إن السمع والبصر والفؤاد كل أولئك كان عنه مسؤولا.
Do not pursue that of which you have no knowledge. Indeed, hearing, eyesight, and the heart, all of these are accountable.
ولا تمش في الأرض مرحا إنك لن تخرق الأرض ولن تبلغ الجبال طولا.
Do not walk exultantly on the earth. Indeed, you will neither pierce the earth, nor reach the mountains in height.
كل ذلك كان سيئه عند ربك مكروها.
The evil of all these is detestable to your Lord.
ذلك مما أوحى إليك ربك من الحكمة ولا تجعل مع الله إلها آخر فتلقى في جهنم ملوما مدحورا.
These are among precepts that your Lord has revealed to you of wisdom. Do not set up another God besides Allah, or you will be cast into hell, being blameworthy and banished from His mercy.
أفأصفاكم ربكم بالبنين واتخذ من الملائكة إناثا إنكم لتقولون قولا عظيما.
Did your Lord prefer you for sons, and, himself, adopt females from among the angels? Indeed, you say a monstrous word.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ لِيَذَّكَّرُوا وَمَا يَزِيدُهُمْ إِلَّا نُفُورًا.
Certainly we have variously paraphrased the principles of guidance in this Quran so that they may take admonition, but it increases them only in aversion.
قُلْ لَوْ كَانَ مَعَهُ آلِهَةٌ كَمَا يَقُولُونَ إِذًا لَابْتَغَوْا إِلَى ذِي الْعَرْشِ سَبِيلًا.
Say, were there other gods besides him, as they say, they would surely have encroached on the Lord of the throne.
سُبْحَانَهُ وَتَعَالَى عَمَّا يَقُولُونَ عُلُوًّا كَبِيرًا.
Immaculate is he, and greatly exalted above what they say.
تُسَبِّحُ لَهُ السَّمَاوَاتُ السَّبْعُ وَالْأَرْضُ وَمَن فِيهِنَّ وَإِن مِّن شَيْءٍ إِلَّا يُسَبِّحُ بِحَمْدِهِ وَلَكِن لَّا تَفْقَهُونَ تَسْبِيحَهُمْ إِنَّهُ كَانَ حَلِيمًا غَفُورًا.
The seven heavens glorify him, and the earth, too, and whoever is in them. There is not a thing but celebrates his praise, but you do not understand their glorification. Indeed, he is all forbearing, all forgiving.
وَإِذَا قَرَأْتَ الْقُرْآنَ جَعَلْنَا بَيْنَكَ وَبَيْنَ الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ حِجَابًا مَسْتُورًا.
When you recite the Quran, we draw a hidden curtain between you and those who do not believe in the hereafter.
وَجَعَلْنَا عَلَى قُلُوبِهِمْ أَكِنَّةً أَن يَفْقَهُوهُ وَفِي آذَانِهِمْ وَقْرًا وَإِذَا ذَكَرْتَ رَبَّكَ فِي الْقُرْآنِ وَحْدَهُ وَلَّوْا عَلَى أَدْبَارِهِمْ نُفُورًا.
And we cast veils on their hearts, lest they should understand it, and a deafness into their ears. When you mention your Lord alone in the Quran, they turn their backs in aversion.
نحن أعلم بما يستمعون به إذ يستمعون إليك وإذ هم نجوى إذ يقول الظالمون إن تتبعون إلا رجلا مسحورا.
We know best what they listen for, when they listen to you, and when they hold their secret talks, when the wrongdoers say, if you follow him, you will be following just a bewitched man.
انظر كيف ضربوا لك الأمثال فضلوا فلا يستطيعون سبيلا.
Look, how they coin epithets for you, so they go astray, and cannot find a way.
وقالوا أإذا كنا عظاما ورفاتا أإنا لمبعوثون خلقا جديدا.
They say, what? When we have become bones and dust, shall we really be raised in a new creation?
قل كونوا حجارة أو حديدا.
Say, that is bound to happen, even if you should become stones, or iron.
أو خلقا مما يكبر في صدوركم فسيقولون من يعيدنا قل الذي فطركم أول مرة فسينغضون إليك رؤوسهم ويقولون متاه قل عسى أن يكون قريبا.
Or a creature more fantastic to your minds. They will say, who will bring us back? Say, he who originated you the first time. They will nod their heads at you, and say, when will that be? Say, maybe it is near.
يوم يدعوكم فتستجيبون بحمده وتظنون إن لبثتم إلا قليلا.
The day he calls you, you will respond to him, praising him, and you will think you remained in the world only for a little while.
وقل لعبادي يقولوا التي هي أحسن إن الشيطان ينزغ بينهم إن الشيطان كان للإنسان عدوا مبينا.
Tell my servants to speak in a manner which is the best. Indeed Shaitan incites ill feeling between them, and Shaitan is indeed man's manifest enemy.
ربكم أعلم بكم إن يشأ يرحمكم أو إن يشأ يعذبكم وما أرسلناك عليهم وكيلا.
Your Lord knows you best. He will have mercy on you if he wishes, or punish you, if he wishes, and we did not send you to watch over them.
وَرَبُّكَ أَعْلَمُ بِمَنْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَلَقَدْ فَضَّلْنَا بَعْضَ النَّبِيِّينَ عَلَى بَعْضٍ وَآتَيْنَا دَاوُودَ زَبُورًا.
Your Lord knows best whoever is in the heavens and the earth. Certainly, we gave some prophets an advantage over the others, and we gave David the Psalms.
قُلِ ادْعُوا الَّذِينَ زَعَمْتُم مِّن دُونِهِ فَلَا يَمْلِكُونَ كَشْفَ الضُّرِّ عَنكُمْ وَلَا تَحْوِيلًا.
Say, invoke those whom you claim to be gods, besides him. They have no power to remove your distress, nor to bring about any change in your state.
أولئك الذين يدعون يبتغون إلى ربهم الوسيلة أيهم أقرب ويرجون رحمته ويخافون عذابه إن عذاب ربك كان محذورا.
They, themselves, are the ones who supplicate, seeking a recourse to their Lord, whoever is nearer to him, expecting his mercy and fearing his punishment. Indeed your Lord's punishment is a thing to beware of.
وَإِن مِّن قَرْيَةٍ إِلَّا نَحْنُ مُهْلِكُوهَا قَبْلَ يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ أَوْ مُعَذِّبُوهَا عَذَابًا شَدِيدًا كَانَ ذَلِكَ فِي الْكِتَابِ مَسْطُورًا.
There is not a town but we will destroy it before the day of resurrection, or punish it with a severe punishment. That has been written in the book.
وَمَا مَنَعَنَا أَن نُّرْسِلَ بِالْآيَاتِ إِلَّا أَن كَذَّبَ بِهَا الْأَوَّلُونَ وَآتَيْنَا ثَمُودَ النَّاقَةَ مُبْصِرَةً فَظَلَمُوا بِهَا وَمَا نُرْسِلُ بِالْآيَاتِ إِلَّا تَخْوِيفًا.
Nothing keeps us from sending signs except that the former peoples denied them. We gave Tamud the Shecamel as an eye-opener, but they wronged her. We do not send the signs except as warning.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لَكَ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ أَحَاطَ بِالنَّاسِ وَمَا جَعَلْنَا الرُّؤْيَا الَّتِي أَرَيْنَاكَ إِلَّا فِتْنَةً لِلنَّاسِ وَالشَّجَرَةَ الْمَلْعُونَةَ فِي الْقُرْآنِ وَنُخَوِّفُهُمْ فَمَا يَزِيدُهُمْ إِلَّا طُغْيَانًا كَبِيرًا.
When we said to you, Indeed your Lord encircles those people. We did not appoint the vision that we showed you except as a tribulation for the people and the tree cursed in the Quran. We warn them, but it only increases them in their outrageous rebellion.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ قَالَ أَأَسْجُدُ لِمَنْ خَلَقْتَ طِينًا.
When we said to the angels, prostrate before Adam, they, all, prostrated, but not Iblis. He said, shall I prostrate before someone whom you have created from clay?
قال أرأيتك هذا الذي كرمت علي لئن أخرتني إلى يوم القيامة لأحتنكن ذريته إلا قليلا.
Said he, do you see this one whom you have honored above me? If you respite me until the day of resurrection, I will surely lay my yoke on his progeny, all, except a few.
قال اذهب فمن تبعك منهم فإن جهنم جزاؤكم جزاء موفورا.
Said he, begone. Whoever of them follows you, indeed the hell shall be your requital, an ample reward.
واستفزز من استطعت منهم بصوتك وأجلب عليهم بخيلك ورجلك وشاركهم في الأموال والأولاد وعدهم وما يعدهم الشيطان إلا غرورا.
Instigate whomever of them you can with your voice, and rally against them your cavalry and your infantry, and share with them in wealth and children, and make promises to them. But Shaitan promises them nothing but delusion.
إن عبادي ليس لك عليهم سلطان وكفى بربك وكيلا.
As for my servants, you shall have no authority over them, and your Lord suffices as trustee.
ربكم الذي يزجي لكم الفلك في البحر لتبتغوا من فضله إنه كان بكم رحيما.
Your Lord is he who drives for you the ships in the sea that you may seek of his bounty. Indeed, he is most merciful to you.
وَإِذَا مَسَّكُمُ الضُّرُّ فِي الْبَحْرِ ضَلَّ مَن تَدْعُونَ إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ فَلَمَّا نَجَّاكُمْ إِلَى الْبَرِّ أَعْرَضْتُمْ وَكَانَ الْإِنسَانُ كَفُورًا.
When distress befalls you at sea, those whom you invoke besides him are forsaken. But when he delivers you to land, you are disregardful of him. Man is very ungrateful.
أَفَأَمِنْتُمْ أَنْ يَخْسِفَ بِكُمْ جَانِبَ الْبَرِّ أَوْ يُرْسِلَ عَلَيْكُمْ حَاصِبًا ثُمَّ لَا تَجِدُوا لَكُمْ وَكِيلًا.
Do you feel secure that he will not make the coastland swallow you, or he will not unleash upon you a rain of stones? Then you will not find any defender for yourselves.
أَمْ أَمِنْتُمْ أَنْ يُعِيدَكُمْ فِيهِ تَارَةً أُخْرَى فَيُرْسِلَ عَلَيْكُمْ قَاصِفًا مِنَ الرِّيحِ فيغرقكم بما كفرتم ثم لا تجدوا لكم علينا به تبيعا.
Do you feel secure that he will not send you back into it another time and unleash against you a shattering gale and drown you because of your unfaith? Then you will not find for yourselves any redresser against us.
ولقد كرمنا بني آدم وحملناهم في البر والبحر ورزقناهم من الطيبات وفضلناهم على كثير ممن خلقنا تفضيلا.
Certainly we have honored the children of Adam, and carried them over land and sea, and provided them with all the good things, and preferred them with a complete preference over many of those we have created.
يوم ندعو كل أناس بإمامهم فمن أوتي كتابه بيمينه فأولئك يقرؤون كتابهم ولا يظلمون فتيلا.
The day we shall summon every group of people along with their imam. Then whoever is given his book in his right hand, they will read it, and they will not be wronged so much as a single date thread.
ومن كان في هذه أعمى فهو في الآخرة أعمى وأضل سبيلا.
But whoever has been blind in this world, will be blind in the hereafter, and, even, more astray from their right way.
وَإِن كَادُوا لَيَفْتِنُونَكَ عَنِ الَّذِي أَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْكَ لِتَفْتَرِيَ عَلَيْنَا غَيْرَهُ وَإِذًا لَاتَّخَذُوكَ خَلِيلًا.
They were about to beguile you from what Allah has revealed to you so that you may fabricate something other than that against us, whereat they would have befriended you.
وَلَوْلَا أَن ثَبَّتْنَاكَ لَقَدْ كِدتَّ تَرْكَنُ إِلَيْهِمْ شَيْئًا قَلِيلًا.
And had we not fortified you, certainly you might have inclined toward them a bit.
إِذًا لَأَذَقْنَاكَ ضِعْفَ الْحَيَاةِ وَضِعْفَ الْمَمَاتِ ثُمَّ لَا تَجِدُ لَكَ عَلَيْنَا نَصِيرًا.
Then we would have surely made you taste a double punishment in this life and a double punishment after death, and then you would have not found for yourself any helper against us.
وَإِن كَادُوا لَيَسْتَفِزُّونَكَ مِنَ الْأَرْضِ لِيُخْرِجُوكَ مِنْهَا وَإِذًا لَّا يَلْبَثُونَ خِلَافَكَ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا.
They were about to hound you out of the land, to expel you from it, but then they would not have stayed after you but a little.
سُنَّةَ مَن قَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا قَبْلَكَ مِن رُّسُلِنَا وَلَا تَجِدُ لِسُنَّتِنَا تَحْوِيلًا.
A precedent concerning those we have sent before you from among our apostles, and you will not find any change in our precedent.
أقم الصلاة لدلوك الشمس إلى غسق الليل وقرآن الفجر إن قرآن الفجر كان مشهودا.
Maintain the prayer, during the period, from the sun's decline till the darkness of the night, and, observe particularly, the dawn recital. Indeed the dawn recital is attended by angels.
وَمِنَ اللَّيْلِ فَتَهَجَّدْ بِهِ نَافِلَةً لَكَ عَسَىٰ أَن يَبْعَثَكَ رَبُّكَ مَقَامًا مَّحْمُودًا.
And keep vigil for a part of the night, as a supererogatory devotion for you. It may be that your Lord will raise you to a praiseworthy station.
وَقُل رَّبِّ أَدْخِلْنِي مُدْخَلَ صِدْقٍ وَأَخْرِجْنِي مُخْرَجَ صِدْقٍ وَاجْعَل لِّي مِن لَّدُنكَ سُلْطَانًا نَّصِيرًا.
And say, My Lord, admit me with a worthy entrance, and bring me out with a worthy departure, and render me a favorable authority from yourself.
وَقُلْ جَاءَ الْحَقُّ وَزَهَقَ الْبَاطِلُ إن الباطل كان زهوقا.
And say, the truth has come, and falsehood has vanished. Indeed, falsehood is bound to vanish.
وننزل من القرآن ما هو شفاء ورحمة للمؤمنين ولا يزيد الظالمين إلا خسارا.
We send down in the Quran that which is a cure and mercy for the faithful, and it increases the wrongdoers only in loss.
وَإِذَا أَنْعَمْنَا عَلَى الْإِنسَانِ أَعْرَضَ وَنَأَىٰ بِجَانِبِهِ وَإِذَا مَسَّهُ الشَّرُّ كَانَ يَئُوسًا.
When we bless man, he is disregardful and turns aside, but when an ill befalls him, he is despondent.
قُلْ كُلٌّ يَعْمَلُ عَلَى شَاكِلَتِهِ فَرَبُّكُمْ أَعْلَمُ بِمَنْ هُوَ أَهْدَىٰ سَبِيلًا.
Say, everyone acts according to his character. Your Lord knows best who is better guided with regard to the way.
وَيَسْأَلُونَكَ عَنِ الرُّوحِ قُلِ الرُّوحُ مِنْ أَمْرِ رَبِّي وَمَا أُوتِيتُم مِّنَ الْعِلْمِ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا.
They question you concerning the Spirit. Say, the Spirit is of the command of my Lord, and you have not been given of the knowledge except a few of you.
وَلَئِن شِئْنَا لَنَذْهَبَنَّ بِالَّذِي أَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْكَ ثُمَّ لَا تَجِدُ لَكَ بِهِ عَلَيْنَا وَكِيلًا.
If we wish, we would take away what we have revealed to you. Then you would not find for yourself any defender against us.
إِلَّا رَحْمَةً مِّن رَّبِّكَ إِنَّ فَضْلَهُ كَانَ عَلَيْكَ كَبِيرًا.
Except a mercy from your Lord. Indeed, His grace has been great upon you.
قُل لَّئِنِ اجْتَمَعَتِ الْإِنسُ وَالْجِنُّ عَلَىٰ أَن يَأْتُوا بِمِثْلِ هَٰذَا الْقُرْآنِ لَا يَأْتُونَ بِمِثْلِهِ وَلَوْ كَانَ بَعْضُهُمْ لِبَعْضٍ ظَهِيرًا.
Say, should all humans and jinn rally to bring the like of this Quran, they will not bring its like, even if they assisted one another.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَٰذَا الْقُرْآنِ مِن كُلِّ مَثَلٍ فَأَبَىٰ أَكْثَرُ النَّاسِ إِلَّا كُفُورًا.
We have certainly interspersed this Quran with every kind of parable for the people, but most people are only intent on ingratitude.
وَقَالُوا لَن نُّؤْمِنَ لَكَ حَتَّىٰ تَفْجُرَ لَنَا مِنَ الْأَرْضِ يَنبُوعًا.
They say, we will not believe you until you make a spring gush forth for us from the ground.
أَوْ تَكُونَ لَكَ جَنَّةٌ مِّن نَّخِيلٍ وَعِنَبٍ فَتُفَجِّرَ الْأَنْهَارَ خِلَالَهَا تَفْجِيرًا.
Or until you have a garden of date palms and vines and you make streams gush through it.
أَوْ تُسْقِطَ السَّمَاءَ كَمَا زَعَمْتَ عَلَيْنَا كِسَفًا أَوْ تَأْتِيَ بِاللَّهِ وَالْمَلَائِكَةِ قَبِيلًا.
Or until you cause the sky to fall in fragments upon us, just as you have averred. Or until you bring Allah and the angels right in front of us.
أَوْ يَكُونَ لَكَ بَيْتٌ مِّن زُخْرُفٍ أَوْ تَرْقَىٰ فِي السَّمَاءِ وَلَن نُّؤْمِنَ لِرُقِيِّكَ حَتَّىٰ تُنَزِّلَ عَلَيْنَا كِتَابًا نَّقْرَؤُهُ قل سبحان ربي هل كنت إلا بشرا رسولا.
Or until you have a house of gold, or you ascend into the sky. And we will not believe your ascension until you bring down for us a book that we may read. Say, Immaculate is my Lord. Am I anything but a human apostle?
وما منع الناس أن يؤمنوا إذ جاءهم الهدى إلا أن قالوا أبعث الله بشرا رسولا.
Nothing has kept these people from believing when guidance came to them, but they're saying, has Allah sent a human as an apostle?
قل لو كان في الأرض ملائكة يمشون مطمئنين لنزلنا عليهم من السماء ملكا رسولا.
Say, had there been angels in the earth, walking around and residing in it like humans do, we would have sent down to them an angel from the heaven as apostle.
قل كفى بالله شهيدا بيني وبينكم إنه كان بعباده خبيرا بصيرا.
Say, Allah suffices as witness between me and you. Indeed he is well aware his servants and a keen observer.
ومن يهد الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلن تجد لهم أولياء من دونه ونحشرهم يوم القيامة على وجوههم عميا وبكما وصما مأواهم جهنم كلما خبت زدناهم سعيرا.
Whomever Allah guides is rightly guided, and whomever he leads astray, you will never find them many guardians besides him. On the day of resurrection, we shall muster them, scrambling, on their faces, blind, dumb, and deaf. Their refuge shall be hell. Whenever it subsides, we shall intensify the blaze for them.
ذلك جزاؤهم بأنهم كفروا بآياتنا وقالوا أإذا كنا عظاما ورفاتا أإنا لمبعوثون خلقا جديدا.
That is their requital because they defied our signs and said, what, when we have become bones and dust, shall we really be raised in a new creation?
أولم يروا أن الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض قادر على أن يخلق مثلهم وجعل لهم أجلا لا ريب فيه فأبى الظالمون إلا كفورا.
Do they not see that Allah, who created the heavens and the earth, is able to create the like of them? He has appointed for them a term, in which there is no doubt, yet the wrongdoers are only intent on ingratitude.
قل لو أنتم تملكون خزائن رحمة ربي إذا لأمسكتم خشية الإنفاق وكان الإنسان قتورا.
Say, even if you possessed the treasuries of my Lord's mercy, you would withhold them for the fear of being spent, and man is very niggardly.
وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَا مُوسَى 9 آيَاتٍ بَيِّنَاتٍ فَاسْأَلْ بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ فقال له فرعون إني لأظنك يا موسى مسحورا.
Certainly we gave Moses 9 manifest signs. So ask the children of Israel. When he came to them, Pharaoh said to him, O Moses, indeed I think you are bewitched.
قال لقد علمت ما أنزل هؤلاء إلا رب السماوات والأرض بصائر وإني لأظنك يا فرعون مثبورا.
He said, You certainly know that no one has sent these signs, except the Lord of the heavens and the earth, as eye-openers, and I, O Pharaoh, indeed think you are doomed.
فأراد أن يستفزهم من الأرض فأغرقناه ومن معه جميعا.
He desired to exterminate them from the land, so we drowned him and all those who were with him.
وقلنا من بعده لبني إسرائيل اسكنوا الأرض فإذا جاء وعد الآخرة جئنا بكم لفيفا.
After him we said to the children of Israel, Take up residence in the land, and when the occasion of the other promise comes, we shall gather you in mixed company.
وبالحق أنزلناه وبالحق نزل وما أرسلناك إلا مبشرا ونذيرا.
With the truth did we send it down, and with the truth did it descend, and we did not send you except as a bearer of good news and as a warner.
وقرآنا فرقناه لتقرأه على الناس على مكث ونزلناه تنزيلا.
We have sent the Quran in discrete parts so that you may recite it for the people a little at a time, and we have sent it down piecemeal.
قل آمنوا به أو لا تؤمنوا إن الذين أوتوا العلم من قبله إذا يتلى عليهم يخرون للأذقان سجدا.
Say, whether you believe in it, or do not believe in it, indeed when it is recited to those who were given knowledge before it, they fall down in prostration on their faces.
ويقولون سبحان ربنا إن كان وعد ربنا لمفعولا.
And say, Immaculate is our Lord. Indeed our Lord's promise is bound to be fulfilled.
ويخرون للأذقان يبكون ويزيدهم خشوعا.
Weeping, they fall down on their faces, and it increases them in humility.
قل ادعوا الله أو ادعوا الرحمن أيما تدعوا فله الأسماء الحسنى ولا تجهر بصلاتك ولا تخافت بها وابتغ بين ذلك سبيلا.
Say, invoke Allah or invoke the All-Beneficent. Whichever of his names you may invoke, to him belong the best names. Be neither loud in your prayer, nor murmur it, but follow a middle course between these.
وقل الحمد لله الذي لم يتخذ ولدا ولم يكن له شريك في الملك ولم يكن له ولي من الذل وكبره تكبيرا.
And say, all praise belongs to Allah, who has neither taken any son, nor has he any partner in sovereignty, nor has he any wholly out of weakness, and magnify him with a magnification worthy of him.